Dear colleagues, dear researchers, we have a good news for you all. Society for Pharmaceutical Dissolution Science (SPDS) has announced DRPI 2022. It is Dissolution Research Presentations India. It organizes every year this competition in which online scientific research oral presentation are invited from young pharmaceutical researchers across academia and industry. And this is organized in association with AAPS, APTI. We can see here dates. Semi-finals will be on 9th and 10th July 2022. Then All India finals will be on 16th July 2022. Now what you have to do is, as SPDS is organizing this, then they want abstracts to be submitted for oral presentation in this above forum, and it is only for young researchers, that is age limit is below 40 years, and you have to take care that your work should be related to following areas, that is dissolution and solubility modulation, in vitro release permeation studies of convention will be received in three categories: M.Pharm, PhD and industry. And for participation details, what will be the format of abstract, we have to click here. Then to submit abstract, they have given here, we have to click here, and to check timelines it is given here. So we will just click one by one and we will see the details. Like first I am clicking first one. This is abstract submission guidelines. So in this way it will be seen. So what you have to do is, first of all, the important thing is that the abstract should not be published anywhere else. It should be original and it should not be copied, or it should not have any plagiarized content. So before submitting the abstract, you please go for plagiarism checking by any online software, and after that only you submit your paper. And only one abstract will be accepted per presenting author. Then for that you have to select the zone, we are having zones here: north zone, south zone, east zone, west zone and central zone. So according to geographical region you have to select your zone. Then in the abstract there should be focus on the above listed resolution or related research areas. The abstract should be written using simple scientific language to describe the experiment, innovation and insights. Then we can include in that data, new concepts of approaches. Things related to dissolution, science and testing have to be highlighted in it. And then you have to ensure that all the claims and conclusions are supported by the data or references, and the content should be very precise. It should not be longer than one page, which is A4 size page, and it will be typed in font Times New Roman and font size will be 12 point only. So in this they have also given the model abstract format that we will click and see. And important things are that you just read the guidelines for the abstract also. Like first you have to write background and rationale, then main section, in main section you have to write method, result, data analysis, then conclusion, then references and footnotes. And if you want you can write acknowledgement also. Okay, so we will see one by one. This is the model abstract which is provided. I will just enlarge it. So in this, main care has to be taken that you don't have to write your name or affiliation or anything so that your identity could be revealed. You just have to write the title of the paper, then background and rationale, then methods that you have used, write in short, then results and discussion, this should be written properly, then conclusion and references, 2 or 3 references only. The abstract should be not more than 1 page. Then second is, to submit abstract and to participate in the competition, what you have to do is, the important thing is that It is only applicable for researchers less than 40 years. So your date of birth should fall between 1st June 1982 to 31st May 2002. The research work included in the abstract should not have been previously published in any conference or in any journal. Only one abstract will be accepted per presenting author. Then for uploading, you have to keep with yourself your passport size photograph, your guide's photograph. Then you have to um, include this status certificate. We will just see what is the sample of the certificate. It will be issued by the guide and institution head. This is the status certificate. This should be in the letterhead of the institution. So here it is written current status certificate, date. This is to certify that Mr., Miss or Doctor is, was or an M.Pharm student or PhD student or employee of the institution, or means here you have to write the name of the institution, then from so and so date. Okay, here will be signature and seal, full name and designation of your head of the institute or principal who is issuing this letter. So do not use all caps for any entry in the form. All the data entries should be normal case or title case. Title case means first letter capital only. Then use full name of the institution. Don't use abbreviations. Then abstract body should be in single page, maximum 3000 characters in Times New Roman, 10 point containing only. Then background and rationale, method, results, then data analysis, conclusion. Then you can use images or graphs in it. Then references should be not more than 3. And the acknowledgement should be added separately in the text area given at the bottom of the form. This acknowledgement section will not be in the abstract body. And if you reveal your identity or institute's identity in the abstract body, then your abstract can be rejected. So before submitting your abstract, do refer this model abstract that they have already uploaded in it. So next is timeline. If you want to see, this is DRPI 2022 website. Last date for submission of abstract is 31st May 2022 till 10 p.m. Then accepted abstracts will be announced by 13th June. The last date for the submission of pre-recorded 10 minutes video presentation is 20th June. Then announcement of selected entries for semi-finals will be 1st July 2022. Then semi-finals will be on Saturday 9th July and 10th July Sunday. Then on Thursday 14th July the results will be announced of semi-finals. Then on Saturday 16th July 2022 there will be DRPI 2022 online All India finals. So if you are interested in participating, then do start preparing your abstract according to the guidelines that they have given. And in this you have to register for this, and the registration and the charges will be rupees 500, but the payment you have to give only after acceptance of your paper or abstract. Okay, and if you don't want to present any paper, then you can attend the event as delegate also, but for that also the registration fees is 500 rupees. If you want to see the details of previous year's winners, then you can go in drpi.sbds.in. In that you can go and see, you can check there. So thank you so much. Hope you will be participating in the DRPI 2022.